Hey, it is hashtag FindATherapistFebruary, and I am sharing free and reduced cost therapy resources. My name is Roshida Dowe, also known as Sheeta's on the Loose, and I share tools to help women take career breaks to help reset their lives. Subscribe to my channel for all the tips you need to take your life from burnout to bliss. Find a Therapist February is a project I started a couple weeks ago because I knew that I needed to get back into therapy and I wanted to help as many people go back that wanted to go back as well. I am not a therapist. I am just sharing therapy resources as I find them. I got to admit that finding free therapy from a therapist is not easy. Therapists want to be paid. Everybody wants to be paid, so this is of no surprise. There are free resources out there, but a lot of them are led by peer counselors or almost therapists, and we're going to get to that. So a lot of these resources are going to be low cost and not free if you're actually seeing a therapist. Keep that in mind as we go through the list. First on the list is the National Alliance of Mental Illness. They have a free hotline that is staffed by peer counselors. These are not therapists, but they can help you find local resources. Two on the list, universities. Now, there are two different ways you can use universities. If you are a student, you can go to your health center, and almost every university, college campus, community college will have mental health resources that are very low to no cost for their students. But there's another way you can utilize university resources if you're not a student. Most teaching hospitals have interns and residents who've almost made it through their therapy program and need to get hours working with people. So they will work under supervision of licensed therapists. They will work with you, with the community, and give you therapy sessions. So this is a great way to get free therapy from someone who is almost there, who can help you with your problems, who can consult with a licensed therapist when they need it. Now, if you've listened to my channel before, you know I love to tell you to use your benefits. Some of you are not. Most employers have an employee assistance program that will provide you with 3 therapy sessions. This is not under your health care. This is completely separate. The free therapy sessions under employee assistance programs are usually a limited number. Like if you have a problem in January, you can go to 6 or 10 sessions, and then again, if something pops up in July, you get another 6 or whatever number of sessions. Read your employee manual. That could be like the tagline of my channel. Read your employee manual, because I say it all the time, and see what benefits are out there that you can qualify for. And then there's your health insurance. A lot of health insurance companies are waiving copays now, especially because there's so much virtual therapy happening. My health insurance has definitely waived my copays. That's how I got in to see a doctor. I did a virtual visit last week. I signed up on Sunday and got in to see someone on Monday. It was really quick, but she had a cancellation, so it worked out perfectly. And so there's no actual additional cost for me to see a therapist over what I pay monthly in health insurance. Now, if you have found a low cost or no cost therapy resource, drop it in the comments so we can all benefit from it, because I know right now everybody wants it. Number 5 on the list, community mental health agencies. What? This one is actually pretty cool, and I learned about it in a video called 5 Resources to Get Free Therapy During the Coronavirus COVID-19 Pandemic by Dr. Judy C. And she talks about the fact that if you want to, you can call 211 on your phone, and there's a United Way agency that will help you find mental health resources in your community. So if you don't know who to go to find low-cost mental health resources, dial 211 on your phone and see who they send you to. Thank you, Dr. Judy C, for that one. Number 6, if you qualify for Medicaid, they should cover mental health resources as well. So if you do, definitely check that out. Number 7 on the list is Open Path Collective, and I'm actually super excited about this one. It's not free, but it is at reduced cost for people who qualify based on their income. So if you cannot afford regular therapy sessions, which can go up to $200, they give you therapy sessions for $30 to $60 each session if you pay a $59 lifetime membership fee. So this is a great way if you want to start therapy, and they have a long list of therapists available. If you want to start therapy, but you're have limited income, this is a great way to qualify and see a therapist. I'm going to read their official spiel to you real quick. They serve clients who lack health insurance or whose health insurance doesn't provide adequate mental health benefits. These clients also cannot afford current market rates for therapy between $80 to $200 a session. We help our members access their choice of affordable in-person or online care from a vetted mental health professional. Sounds good, right? So check out Open Path Collective. There's a link. Number 8 on the list, many therapists will actually negotiate their price with you. They'll offer either a sliding scale based on the resources you have available, or they'll tell you, you don't have insurance, or whatever the reason is, I will offer a discount off of my usual rate at this amount. So don't be afraid to ask. If you don't have insurance, if you're running out of resources, call up a doctor's office and see what they'll offer you. I'm collecting a number of therapy resources at my website at she'sontheloose.com/FindATherapistFebruary. Link is in the description. Check it out at the link in the description and take the pledge to find a therapist in February. If this video helped you at all, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe because I'm definitely doing mental health resources all February long. And also share with your network because more of us need therapy, want therapy, but are not actually pursuing it than we actually think about. So share it with your friends, put it up on Facebook. Someone needs low-cost therapy in your network, and this could be a blessing to them. Thanks for watching, and I would love to help you find a therapist. Bye.